Hello and welcome to Financial Beginner. Today we are going to learn how to add global payment system to the Payoneer account. So if you are new, subscribe and press the notification bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming for the video. Now let's get started. So first you need to open the Payoneer and log in, and this interface will be shown to you. After that you can just go to your Payoneer cards that is on the left hand side. As you can see here, just click on the Payoneer cards. After that, as you can see, there is two cards that I have currently created, that is GDP or Great British Pound or USD United States Dollar, or you can also add more cards on the different currency in which you are going to get more transaction, where you have more client and from which country you are going to get more transactions. Then you just have to set up the card in different currencies, just like your local bank account. After that you can just receive the money or do the transaction of money on the currency. I can do United Kingdom currency transaction in this card where it has said Great British Pound, and I can do United States money transaction where it has said USD. So this is how you can easily set up the global payment system to your Payoneer account. In this way you will also save time and you will also save money, because there won't be a huge conversion rate in the middle. It is everything done by Payoneer itself. So this is how you can easily add global payment system to your Payoneer account. So if this video is helpful to you, give a thumbs up. Thank you.